Getting paid $2 per video sounds enticing, but it's crucial to approach such claims cautiously. While there are legitimate ways to make money online, opportunities that promise easy and high earnings for minimal effort often raise red flags. Here are some key points to consider. Today, we're unveiling a fantastic opportunity that pays you $2 for every video you like. That's right, just a simple click, and you're earning cash. Verify the source. When you come across a website or platform that promises to pay you for liking videos, it's crucial to investigate the source's legitimacy. Here are some steps you can take. Check the domain. Look at the website's URL. Legitimate businesses typically have professional-looking domains and URLs. Be wary of URLs with unusual extensions or those that appear overly complex. Research the company. Search to see if the company is registered and if it has a history. Established companies often have a footprint online, including press releases, reviews, and business listings. Look for professionalism. A legitimate website usually has a polished professional appearance, clear branding, and easy-to-navigate menus. Poor design, numerous spelling errors, and low-quality images are red flags. Privacy policy and terms of service. Verify if the website has comprehensive privacy policies and terms of service. Legitimate businesses are transparent about handling your data and your rights as a user. Understand the business model. Legitimate platforms that pay users to interact with content usually have a clear and transparent business model. Here's what to look for. Ad revenue sharing. Platforms like YouTube and Twitch generate revenue through advertisements. They share a portion of this revenue with content creators and sometimes with viewers who engage with ads. Sponsorships and partnerships. Some platforms partner with brands and pay users to engage with branded content. This might involve watching promotional videos or participating in surveys. Market research. Companies might pay for user engagement as part of market research. For example, watching and rating videos can help companies gather data on consumer preferences. Affiliate marketing. Some platforms earn commissions through affiliate marketing. They might share a portion of this commission with users who interact with affiliate content. Be wary of sites that don't clearly explain how they generate income or how they can afford to pay users. Check for reviews and testimonials. Before investing your time or personal information into a platform, seeing what other users are saying is important. Here are ways to check for reviews and testimonials. Search for reviews. Use search engines to find reviews of the platform. Look for independent reviews on Trustpilot, Sitejabber, or the Better Business Bureau, BBB. Social media. Platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and Facebook often discuss various money-making opportunities. Search for the platform's name and keywords like review or scam. Video reviews. YouTube can be a good source for reviews, as users often post detailed videos about their experiences with different platforms. Testimonials on the website. While testimonials can be helpful, remember that they can be curated or fabricated. Cross-reference them with reviews from other sources. Look for red flags. Identifying red flags can help you avoid scams and illegitimate platforms. Here are some specific red flags to watch out for. Upfront fees. Be cautious if a platform asks you to pay a fee to join or to access certain features. Legitimate money-making opportunities typically do not require upfront payments. Unrealistic promises. Claims of high earnings for minimal effort are often too good to be true. Be skeptical of platforms that promise large sums of money for simple tasks like liking videos. Lack of contact information. Legitimate companies provide precise contact details, including physical addresses, email addresses, and customer support numbers. If this information is missing or hard to find, it's a red flag. Pressure tactics. Scammers often use high-pressure tactics to pressure you into making quick decisions. If a platform urges you to sign up immediately or threatens that the opportunity will disappear soon, be cautious. Negative reviews and complaints. Check for a history of complaints against the platform. Multiple users reporting persistent issues can indicate a problematic or fraudulent service. Consider alternative platforms. There are several reputable platforms where you can earn money online through various tasks, including watching videos. Here are some well-known and legitimate options. Swagbucks. How it works. Swagbucks offers points, SB, for completing various online tasks such as watching videos, taking surveys, shopping online, and searching the web. Earnings. The points can be redeemed for gift cards from major retailers like Amazon and Walmart or for a PayPal cash payment. Pros. Wide variety of earning opportunities. User-friendly interface. Low minimum payout threshold. Cons. Earnings can be slow. Some tasks may not be available depending on your location. Inbox dollars. How it works. Inbox dollars pays you to watch videos, read emails, take surveys, play games, and shop online. Earnings. You earn cash directly, not points, and once you reach the minimum payout threshold, you can request payments via check or prepaid Visa cards. Pros. Real cash payments. Multiple ways to earn money. $5 sign-up bonus. Cons. Higher minimum payout threshold. $30. Earning potential varies significantly by activity. Vindale Research. How it works. Vindale Research offers money for taking surveys and watching videos. Users provide feedback on advertisements and promotional videos. Earnings. Payments are made in cash via PayPal, and the site often offers additional earning opportunities, such as referral bonuses. Pros. Straightforward payment in cash. High payout potential for some surveys. The cons are the high minimum payout threshold, $50, and the limited availability of surveys/videos for certain demographics. Fusion Cash. How it works. Fusion Cash provides earnings for watching videos, taking surveys, completing free trials, and referring friends. Earnings. Once the minimum threshold is reached, payments can be requested via PayPal, check, or direct deposit. Pros. Multiple earning methods. Bonuses for referrals. Straightforward cash payments. Cons. High minimum payout threshold. $25. Some tasks require providing credit card information for free trials. Safety tips. Ensuring your safety while engaging in online money-making opportunities is paramount. Here are some detailed safety tips. Protect personal information. Limit sharing. When signing up for platforms, only provide essential information. Avoid sharing sensitive details like social security numbers, banking information, or home addresses unless you know the platform's legitimacy. Use a separate email. Consider using a dedicated email address when signing up for these platforms to avoid spam and protect your primary email from potential phishing attacks. Monitor accounts. Regularly check the accounts you use for these platforms for unauthorized activity. If the platform offers alerts, set them up. Use secure payment methods. PayPal is a widely accepted, secure payment method that provides buyer protection and allows you to keep your banking details private. Prepaid cards. Use prepaid cards to receive payments or for any necessary transactions. This way, you can limit the exposure of your primary financial information. Avoid direct bank links. Do not link your primary bank account directly to these platforms. Instead, use intermediary services like PayPal for an added layer of security. Stay informed. Follow online forums. Join communities on Reddit or other forums where users discuss money-making opportunities. These communities often share experiences and warn about scams. Read news articles. Stay updated with news articles and reports about online scams and fraudulent activities. Use browser extensions. Consider using browser extensions like Web of Trust, WOT, that warn you about potentially unsafe websites based on user reviews and ratings. Conclusion. You can better navigate the online money-making landscape by considering alternative, reputable platforms and following safety tips. Always conduct thorough research and take precautions to protect your personal and financial information. Engaging with trustworthy platforms and staying informed can help you make money online safely and effectively. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join Easy Money today and start earning cash for doing what you already love. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more money-making tips and tricks. Until next time, happy earning!